Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a music track in YouTube Studio in just a few simple steps. From the content page in YouTube Studio, click the edit icon on the video you want to work with to open its details page. Click Editor in the left sidebar to open the video editor. In the editor toolbar, click Audio to open the audio library, where you'll see a list of tracks you can add to your video. Browse the available tracks and click the Add button next to the one you want. For this example, I'm adding Hall of the Mountain King, and you'll see it appear in the timeline below your video. Click Save in the top right corner, and a Confirm Changes dialog appears. Check the box that says, I acknowledge that these changes are permanent. Click Confirm Changes to apply the track, and YouTube starts processing your video with the new audio. The processing happens in the background and can take a few minutes depending on your video length. Once it's done processing, an Attribution Requirements dialog appears showing any credits you need to include in your video description. If you need to adjust the volume of the music track or trim it to fit part of your video, click on the track in the timeline before saving, and you'll see volume and trim controls appear. You can remove a track later by going back into the editor, clicking the X on the track in the timeline, and saving again. Just remember that change is also permanent once you confirm it. If you're using music from YouTube's audio library, always check the Attribution Requirements dialog and add any required credits to your video description to stay compliant. And that's how to add a music track in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.